everyone. So, in the last video, we talked about the event coordinator and the event lead, two people, event coordinator and the event lead. And I just wanted to give you an analogy before we move ahead with the other roles. So you can actually imagine as if an event is like an airplane, right? Airplane. So in that airplane, guess who is the pilot? Just pause the video and think for a minute. Who is the pilot? Event coordinator or event lead? The answer is event lead. Event lead is the pilot, right? And event coordinator is the co-pilot. Event coordinator is the co-pilot. These two people are responsible to make the aeroplane fly, right? Seamlessly. Now, if I move further, we have two roles that we are going to cover in this video. One is operations and another is logistics. You can combine these two as well, but for the purpose of understanding, we are going to make it into two separate parts, so two separate roles. One person can be an operations coordinator. For big events you can have an operations team, and one person can be a logistics lead. Again, for bigger events you can have a bigger team, depends on the kind or the level of the event, the scale of the event. So if you look at these two keywords, you will you will see that one is operations. Operation, by keyword, by virtue of this word, it is dynamic in nature. And logistics, again by virtue of this keyword, it is static in nature. And if I bring it down to basics, you can say that logistics actually represents the resources that we must gather, and operations actually represent the usage of these resources, how you're using these resources. And just give me 2 minutes, I'll make it more clear to you. Let's start with logistics first. Let's start with logistics lead as our first role for this particular video. The primary responsibility of the logistics lead is to make sure is to make sure that physical setup physical setup along with resources along with resources are available are available, they are functional, and they are reliable. There are three parameters, right? Let's read it again. For a logistics lead, the primary responsibility is to make sure that the physical setup along with the resources is available, right? It is functional and it is reliable in nature. First of all is availability. You should have the resources. Second is functionality. Those resources should work. And third is reliability. They should not falter or they should not break down during the event. So three things that the logistics lead has to take care of. Resources, they should be available for use, they should be functional in nature, and they should be reliable. Now, what all resources do we need whenever we are going for an event? You would first of all you would see that you need first of all you will see that you need to check for venue, right? Venue. Which venue to choose, is it available? Because accordingly you will have to check the schedule. सबसे important चीज होती है venue availability. अगर venue available नहीं है, you won't be able to schedule your event for that particular day. And if in case you have problems with the venue, sometimes it collides also, then you try conflict management or conflict resolution. You try to talk to the other person, you try to make it work, you try to talk to the other team, you try to find alternative venues, you find classrooms, you find any other place where it can happen, or you change your date. So first and foremost thing is your date and venue. Now this has to come from your event lead also. Event lead will say कि मेरे लिए ये shortlisted venue है, and logistics lead is going to actually check whether that venue is available or not, and then book that venue, right? After booking that venue, it becomes the responsibility of the logistics lead to check whether stage is functional or working or not. Stage की quality कैसी है, how is it, what does it need, do we need laptops on stage, do we need a connector, a wire to make the presentations work, like if I have to show presentations, do I need to place a banner outside, how many do I need. समटाइम्स हम डिजिटली एक बैनर से ही काम चला देते हैं, राइट. समटाइम्स यू नीड 2 to 4 बैनर्स, फिजिकल बैनर्स. Then if you need a physical banner, you have to talk to the media team, you have to get it printed, then you have to get it deployed. All of this part of deciding, looking at the venue and making sure what is required, this all falls under the scope of logistics lead. Logistics lead, right? Then comes your lighting. After stage, checking the lighting of the room, which lights work, which lights don't work. If we have to do a group photo, which light should be on. If we have to show a presentation, कौन सी light off होनी चाहिए, कौन सी on होनी चाहिए. अगर stage पे जाना है तो lighting setup क्या होना चाहिए. That has to be checked, right? And they have to make sure that which one will be used. Then other thing is you have to check mic, whether the mic is working or not. आवाज़ एको तो नहीं हो रही है, क्या वो चल रहा है, क्या वो नहीं चल रहा है. If it is not working, then what is the alternative? Because you don't want your event to be screwed, right? Maybe the venue is going to get it changed after 2 months. You cannot wait 2 months. You have to execute your event. So you start finding alternatives. That am I going to get another handheld mic, right? Another mic. Can I do something other than this? Can I use a speaker? My projector, is it working? Or is it not working? If it is working, then where is the remote? Who has the access to this remote? On the event day, who will give me access to this particular remote and how will it run? बिकॉज बहुत बार इवेंट डे पे यही होता है दैट वी ट्राई टू फिगर आउट. अब माइक नहीं चल रहा है, अब ये वाली तार नहीं चल रही है, अब ये तार चल रही है तो अब इस तार का कनेक्टर नहीं है, वो कनेक्टर के अंदर की तार हिल गई है, किसी ने पकड़ के तेज से उसको खींच दिया तो वो ब्रेक हो गया. देयर आर सो मेनी स्टूपिड blunders and it just causes unnecessary, how would I say, unnecessary hatred and resentment. बिकॉज आप एक टीम में होगे तो आप किसी को बोल भी नहीं सक रहे हो कुछ, क्योंकि आपको दिख रहा है कि बहुत ही सिली मिस्टेक है, बट आपको बहुत गुस्सा आती है बिकॉज इट इज़ अ स्टूपिड मिस्टेक. एंड दीज स्टूपिड मिस्टेक्स कैन ऑलवेज बी mitigated or avoided if you prepare properly, if you prepare things well in hand, right? Other thing is, for logistics lead, sometimes you will find that the event has goodies to share, maybe a notepad, right, maybe a pen, maybe a bag, maybe a poster, maybe a sticker, right? So they have to make sure where these crates are placed. Now you have certificates, then you have medals, you have trophies, sometimes you have checks. All these things, these are the responsibilities of the logistics lead, that where are they placed, right? अब let's imagine event हो रहा है और logistics वाले ने चेक इकट्ठे करे और बिल्कुल तिजोरी में रख दिए. अब event वाले दिन किसी को मिला ही नहीं वो चेक, हो गई प्रॉब्लम. That is a blunder which we don't want. So what is the responsibility of that logistics lead? To gather, to have that resource, and to make sure that it reaches the venue. Make sure that it reaches the venue. Reaches the venue in time. Venue in time. वो timely पहुंचना चाहिए. Then you have other things. For example, you want to place water bottles, right? For guests. So you should know when to place, from where to get, and how to go about it. Now, if you have done your job well, if a logistics lead has done his or her job well, so you will find that the outcome is there is zero last minute panic due to resources. Resource ना होने की वजह से तो panic नहीं होगा, right? Zero last minute panic due to resource unavailability, ये नहीं होगा, because you will always have everything right next to you on the D-day. And second is, event will run smoothly because everything was tried and tested. Right? I hope I'm clear about the logistics lead, right? In short, you can simply say कि जो भी इवेंट करने के लिए असला बारूद की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो सब लॉजिस्टिक्स वाला देखेगा कि मुझे क्या क्या मामला मसाला चाहिए टू मेक समथिंग वर्क. सो इफ यू हैव टू मेक अ बिल्डिंग, इट कैन बी लाइकन्ड टू दैट थिंग कि कौन सी ईंट और कौन सी पत्थर और कौन सी बजरी आपको चाहिए होगी और वहाँ पहुंची होनी चाहिए, तभी लोग लग के उससे घर बना पाएंगे. That brings me to the second role for this particular video, which is operations coordinator. Operations coordinator, right? The primary responsibility, the primary responsibility of operations coordinator is to make sure, that when the event is happening, everything is coordinated with all the leads, coordinated with all the leads, right? And making sure that smoothly the event is run. So what you can say is, if your logistics lead has given you the resources, then it is the job of the operations team to run that, right? So in a way you can say that gathering resources was the responsibility of logistics fellow, but running that entire thing is the responsibility of operations fellow, because it is going to operate on those resources, operate on those resources, right? Just a small example, same the check wala thing. So there is a big classroom, right? Let's say a big seminar hall. This is the seating, right? You have 3 rows, and then this is your screen, right? And after this screen, you have your door over here. This is your door. There are standees over here. There are standees over here. सो दी स्टैंडीज ये लेके कौन आएगा? लॉजिस्टिक्स लीड. बट इनकी प्लेसमेंट रियल टाइम पे क्या हुआ, लॉजिस्टिक्स वाले ने इकट्ठी कर दी और उसने यहाँ रख दी. बट हमें पता चला कि जब गेस्ट यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं तो उनको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, देख नहीं पा रहे हैं, थोड़ी सी पीछे प्लेस करनी है. इट शुड बी प्लेस्ड ओवर हियर. Who will do that? Operations is going to do that. Put it over there where it looks better, where the entire vibe is, improvised, or it becomes like very, very cool. Second thing is, if you have that check thing, right? You have these checks. If I keep them at the back of the classroom, right? And then my felicitation has started, the guest is standing over here, the winner is standing over here. तो यहाँ से यहाँ लेके आना would be stupidity, right? What can I do instead? I can simply, the operations fellow is going to bring those checks over here, ready to go in order. First, second, third, other checks. And then the guest or the team people will come. From here, another operations fellow can stand. And that person is going to dictate ki who will come and who will go. Team 1 will come next, team 2 will come next, team 3 will come next. The order. And they are going to make them stand appropriately and then shoot them one by one, so that you don't have, people bulging in each other, people striking each other, going here and there. It creates utter chaos. And यहाँ से team आ रही है और यहाँ से check जा रहा है, and then the photographer is clicking photographs from here, and then everyone can depart back, right? So getting the checks to the venue, getting the checks to the venue is the responsibility of logistics lead, but distributing those checks in order is the responsibility of operations lead. Just a small example, right? There are, there's so many things. Sometimes there are bouquets that one has to give. Then there are other things that, you have to give certificates, you have to give guest of honor things. All of that has to be provided by the operations team. Moving forward, with the primary responsibilities or other responsibilities, making the itinerary of the event, right? Minute by minute itinerary. This is also the responsibility of operations lead, because as I said, that they have to make sure that the event is running smoothly, so they should know what is happening at what point in time. And sometimes what happens is, कोई गेस्ट लेट आ रहा है, राइट? और उसका सेशन 10 बजे होना है, एंड दैट गेस्ट इज नाउ सेइंग कि आई विल अराइव एट 10:30 AM. क्या करोगे आप? पैनिक हो जाओगे या आप उस इवेंट को डिस्ट्रॉय कर दोगे, राइट? इंस्टेड व्हाट यू विल डू, this fellow is now late. Now event coordinator knows about it क्योंकि नीचे की टीम ने उसे इन्फॉर्म किया. Coordinator has informed the lead, right? Now lead has decided, let's do a little bit of change, let's shift the itinerary, right? Now this person is going to give this decision to the coordinator, and the coordinator is going to tell that to the operations fellow that the itinerary is now changed. You have to move few items here to there. Maybe tea has to be shifted, maybe lunch has to be shifted, maybe some student activity has to happen now. The itinerary is now updated. Inform the concerned, inform the tech lead, inform everyone, and rearrange the resources. This entire rearrangement will then becomes the responsibility of operations lead, right? आप टर्निंग द टेबल में कितने ही टेबल घुमा लो, बट टुवर्ड्स द एंड द ऑडियंस शुड ऑलवेज फील एज इफ इट वॉज अ सीमलेस इवेंट. देर वर नो ब्लंडर्स. ऑडियंस को हमेशा ऐसा ही लगना चाहिए कि ये तो सीमलेसली हो गया. आप नीचे चाहे कितने ही इश्यूज कैसे भी हैंडल करो, राइट? Other thing is, if you have, you know, planned it well, then there are, going to be zero hiccups, because logistics का जो काम आता है, that is event day से पहले, before this. और operations का जो काम आता है, operations, that is after or during the event, this particular window. Okay, right? Marker, I had to choose marker. Yeah, this is what we are talking about. During the event, you have to make sure that everything is running smoothly. Last thing, if I have to now again make a segregated, thing, I would go like this. This is a nice color. Or this one. This one. Yeah. Let's go about it. So, difference between these two. On one side, you have logistics. On another side, you have operations. Logistics has to primarily deal with resources or things, you can say, and their setup, while operations has to deal with flow, execution, or operating those things, right? In a way, you can say that logistics is preparing the ground for the airplane, and operations is like running the entire ground game, right? So with that, I'll conclude this particular video. If you have any doubts or if you would like to share anything, please put them in the comment box below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Okay. One last thing, one last concluding statement. I wrote this in my diary, so I really want to share it. It says that great events do not happen by chance. Great events do not happen by chance. They happen because logistics and operations work like clockwork. Imagine like a big auditorium, right? I once went to a show in Gurgaon. It was a big auditorium. It had a seating of 2,000 people. Kingdom of Dreams it was called. And there was like a live show that was running for 2 hours, right? And there were so many resources that were required to make that happen. There were close to 200 artists that were there in a 2-hour show. Just imagine, the role of operations and logistics in that particular event, and how much effort it would have taken the entire team to make sure that, it goes like clockwork. With that, I leave you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.